Good morning, children. Happy New Year. Are you ready for today's class? Okay. Let's do exercise 3, problem 11. 11th problem. In figure ABCD, find the area of the shaded region. You should find out the area of the shaded region. So for that, first let us observe the figure given. Here it is 20 centimeters. This side 10 plus 10 is 20. So 20 centimeters. The length is 20. Breadth is also 20. When length and breadth are same, that means they are having equal sides. When all the sides are equal, it is a square. So let us write that. ABCD is a square. Is a square. And you know that one side of a square is equal to 20 centimeters. Here one side is 20, this side also is 20. This part you know. Now to find out the area of this shaded triangle, what we are going to do is first find out the area of the complete square. After finding out the area of the square, we are going to subtract the areas of these three triangles. Then you are going to get the area of the shaded region. So for that you have to see that all the sides you have the values. So here you have values. You know that opposite sides are equal. All the sides are equal. So this is 20 centimeters. And here it is given that ED is 8 centimeters, but you don't know the value of AE. So to find out the value of AE, this is equal to AD minus ED. AD minus ED. So AD is 20 centimeters. This you know, as opposites, all the sides are equal. 20 centimeters minus 8 centimeters. 20 minus 8 is 12. So it is 12 centimeters. AE, you got it as 12 centimeters. Understood this? Okay. So area of a square. What is the formula? Area of a square is equal to side into side. Side into side. So one side is 20 centimeters into 20 centimeters. 2 2s are 4. Here 1 0 is there and here 1 0. So 2 zeros you should add. And it is centimeter into centimeter is square centimeter. Square centimeter. Now what we are going to do? We have found out the area of the complete square. Now we have to subtract these three areas of the triangles. So let's write area of triangle AFE plus area of triangle FBC plus area of triangle CED. Okay, CED. This one we have to find out. So what is the formula for finding out the area of a triangle? Area of a triangle is equal to half into base into height. So half into this triangle we are taking. So it is 10 centimeters into 12 centimeters plus half into FBC. This part we are taking. So it is 10 centimeters into 20 centimeters plus half into this part we are taking. It is 20 centimeters into 8 centimeters. So now let's cancel. 2 1s are 2 5s are 10. So 12 5s are is 60. Centimeter into centimeter is square centimeter plus, let's cancel. 2 1s are 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. 1 0 is there, so add that 0. Centimeter into centimeter is square centimeters plus 2 1s are 2 10s are 20. So 10 into 8. 10 8s are 80. Centimeter into centimeter is square centimeters. So this is equal to 60 plus 100 is 160. 160 plus 80 is 240 square centimeters. 240 square centimeters. So now area of triangle CEF, this is the shaded part they have asked, that is equal to area of square ABCD minus area of triangle AFE plus area of triangle FBC plus area of triangle CED. This we already found out. Separately we have found out the values. Now we are going to substitute the values. Area of square ABCD is 400 square centimeters minus 240 square centimeters. 400 minus 240. 0 minus 0 is 0. This becomes 3. 10 minus 4 is 6. 3 minus 2 is 1. So you got the answer as 160 square centimeters. The area of the shaded region is 160 square centimeters. Understood this? Copy in your class workbooks, children. Let's do the 12th problem. Find the area of a parallelogram PQRS if PR is equal to 24 centimeters and QUST is equal to 8 centimeters. We have to find out the area of the parallelogram. You know that the formula for finding out the area of a parallelogram is base into height. Here you know the base, but height you don't know because this perpendicular is not drawn till the end and the measurement is not given. So how to find out? You can divide this parallelogram into two triangles. Area of this triangle and area of this triangle, if you add both of them, you will get the area of the parallelogram. So for a parallelogram, you know that the opposite sides are equal. So because this PQ is 9 centimeters, SR is also 9 centimeters. Let's start solving the problem. So here area of a parallelogram is equal to, this all you write in one step only, area of triangle PQR, this triangle PQR plus area of triangle PSR. So now let's use the formula. Area of a triangle is half base into height. Base into height. For this triangle, the base is the longest side. This is the common side and this is the longest side. This we are going to take it as a base 24 centimeters into height is 8 centimeters plus half into 24 centimeters because it's the common side, that is the base, and into 8 centimeters. Height is same, so it is given like that. 2 ones are 12 times, 2 ones are 12 times. So 12 eights are is 96 square centimeters plus 96 square centimeters. So if you add this, 6 plus 6 is 12. 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 plus 1 is 19. So it's 192 square centimeters. Understood this? Copy in your class workbooks, children. The base and height of the triangle are in the ratio 3:2 and its area is 108 centimeters square. Find its base and height. This is a question given. So let us consider that the base is 3x and height is 2x. Let the base be 3x and height be 2x. Now area of the triangle is equal to half base into height. Half base into height. This is a formula. Now let us substitute the values. Area of the triangle is given as 108 square centimeters, which is equal to half into base. Base is 3x into height is 2x. Okay. Now 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So this is equal to 3. Here 1 is there. 3 ones are 3. X into x. X into x is x square. 108 square centimeters. So now we are trying to find out the value of x. So x square is equal to 108. Multiplication, when it is transposed to the other side, it becomes division. So this is equal to 3 ones are 3 3s are 9, 1 is the remainder, 18 is left, 3 6 are 18, 3 6 are 18. So you are left with 36. X is equal to, I told you square when it goes to the other side it becomes square root of 36 square centimeters. 36 square centimeters. This is nothing but 36 is 6 square. 6 into 6 is 36 and this is centimeter into centimeter. So this is equal to square root. 2 times whatever is there, it is going to come out as ones. So it is 6 centimeters. You got the value of x as 6 centimeters. Now they asked you to find out the value of base. Base is equal to 3x. So this is equal to 3 into 6 centimeters. 3 6 are 18. 18 centimeters. Now let us take height. Height is equal to 2x. So 2 into x is 6. 2 6 are 12. So you got the base as 18 centimeters and height as 12 centimeters. Understood this? Copy in your classwork books. Okay. Now we are going to learn how to find out the area of a rhombus. What is a rhombus? A parallelogram which has all sides equal is a rhombus. It is going to satisfy all the properties of a parallelogram. Now the new thing what we are going to learn is about diagonals. What are those? Diagonals. So let me draw the figure. See here, if this is a rhombus, this is called the diagonal and this is another diagonal. If this is D1 diagonal and this is second diagonal, diagonals, two diagonals. Okay, to find out the area of a rhombus, it is equal to half the product of the diagonals, that is half into D1 into D2. Understood this? Okay, so here area of a rhombus is equal to half the product of its diagonals, that which is nothing but half into D1 into D2. Copy this in your classwork books, children. Do exercise 4, first problem. Find the area of the following rhombuses. They have given you a rhombus and you have to find out the area of the rhombus. Area of a rhombus is equal to half d1 d2. Half, or you can write it like this. So this is equal to half into d1. What is d1? d1 is equal to 5 centimeters plus 5 centimeters. 5 plus 5 is 10 centimeters. d2 is 2 centimeters plus 2 centimeters. 2 plus 2 is 4 centimeters. So d2 is 4 centimeters. Let us substitute these values in this. So this is 10 centimeters into 4 centimeters. So this is 2 ones are 2 fives are 5 centimeters into 4 centimeters. 5 fours are 20. Centimeter into centimeter, square centimeter. So you found that the area of a rhombus, of this particular rhombus, is 20 centimeters square. Understood this? Okay. Let us do the next bit. Look at the figure. Now first let us find out the diagonal values. D1 is equal to 4 centimeters plus 4 centimeters. 4 plus 4 is 8 centimeters. D2, let us find out. D2 is 3 centimeters plus 3 centimeters. 3 plus 3 is 6 centimeters. Now let us find out the area of a rhombus. Area of a rhombus is equal to half into d1 d2. Half into d1 d2. Half into d1 is 8 centimeters. d2 is 6 centimeters. So it's 2 ones are 2 fours are. So 4 centimeters into 6 centimeters. So 2 ones are 2 fours are. 4 centimeters into 6 centimeters. 6 fours are 24. Centimeter into centimeter is square centimeter. So the area of this rhombus is 24 square centimeters. Copy this in your class workbooks, children. Okay, let us do the second problem. Find the missing values. Diagonal values, diagonal 2 values are given. Area of a rhombus is given. So wherever a blank is there, you have to find out that value and fill the table. So the first bit, there are 3 bits in this. So let's write the numbers so that it is easy. Number 1, 2 and this is 3. So 1 is just substitution. So first bit is for homework. Bit 1 is for homework. Now let us solve bit 2. So here D1 they have given us 27 mm and area of a rhombus is given as 2025 millimeter square. So area of a rhombus A is equal to half into D1 into D2. So substitute the values. Half into D1 is 27 mm into D2 you don't know, so write D2. A it is given as 2025, so millimeter square millimeters. So now see that D2 is to one side and the remaining terms are to the other side, D2. Okay. So this side you know that 2025 square millimeters is there. Division when it is transposed it becomes multiplication. Multiplication when it is transposed it becomes division, divided by 27. So let's cancel. 3 table. 3 nines are 27. 3 6 are 18. 2 is left. 3 sevens are 21. 1 is the remainder, 15. 3 fives are 15. Okay. Now cancel with 9 table. So I will copy the same thing down so that it is easy for you to understand. 675. This is 27 mm. Mm and mm gets cancelled, so it is 1 mm left, divided into 2 divided by 9. 9 ones are 9. 9 sevens are. 9 sevens are is how much? 63. 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 is the remainder. So 45. 9 5s are 45. So here you need to multiply 75 into 2. So 2 5s are 10. 2 7s are 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. So it is 150 mm. 150 mm. Understood this? Copy in the table. In the table you have to write the value. So here D2 you got it as 150 mm. Understood this? Copy in your classwork books. Okay. D1 is given as 24 meters. D2 is given as 57.6 meters. So now we have to find out the area. Area of a rhombus is equal to half into product of the diagonals D1 into D2. So this is equal to half into 24 meters into 57.6 meters. Cancel. 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4. 12 times. So 12 into this we have to multiply. 57.6 into 12. 2 6 are 12. 2 7s are 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. Now 1 into 6. 1 7s are 7. 1 5s are 5. Now you need to add up. This is 2. 5 plus 6 is 11. 8 9. This is 6. So point 1 digit is there. So from last check for 1 digit and keep the point. So you got the area as 691.2 meter square or 2 square meters. Understood this? So this we have to write in the table. Here in the table area of the rhombus is 691.2 square meters. Understood this? Copy in your classwork books. The third problem is for homework. Let's do the last problem of this exercise. The floor of a building consists of 3000 tiles which are rhombus shaped. The diagonals of each of the tiles are 45 centimeters and 30 centimeters. Find the total cost of polishing the floor if cost per meter square is rupees 250, 2 rupees 50 pice. This is the question given. So here centimeters the measurements are given, but here they have given the cost for meter square. So let's convert this centimeters to meters. You know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So here meters, centimeters. 1 meter is 100 centimeters, and here for D1 it is given as 45 centimeters. What is D1? Diagonal. So here 45 centimeters, what is, how many meters? So this is nothing but cross multiplication. 45 divided by 100. So this is equal to 0.45 meters. This is D1. Let's find out the value of D2. D2 is equal to 30 centimeters. This again we have to convert it into meters. 1 meter is 100 centimeters and 30 centimeters is how much? Now cross multiplication, it is 30 divided by 100, which is equal to 0.30 meters. So you have D1 and D2. Now they have given you that each tile is rhombus shaped. Area of one tile equal to half into d1 into d2. Half d1 into d2. Half into d1, you got the value as 0.45 meters into 0.30 meters. Let's cancel. 2 ones are 2 zeros are 2 ones are 2, 1 is the remainder. 2 fives are 10. 2 fives are start. So let's multiply 0.45 into 0.15. 5 fives are 25. 5 fours are 20. 20 plus 2 is 22. 1. So this place is cancelled. 5 times 4 times 0. So let's add 5, 7, 6, 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4. After 1, 2, 3, 4, keep a point. So this is 0.0675 meter into meter is square meter. So it is 0.0675 square meters you got. So now for this is the area of one tile. Now you are going to find out the area of 1000 tiles. 1000 tiles, what you are going to do? 1000 into this number we have to do 0.675 meter square. So this is nothing but what you have to do when you multiply these two, you are going to get, you should add these 3 zeros to the end. 675 and then 3 zeros you have added. Now count 4 digits and keep a point. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here you got a point. So this is nothing but 67.5 meter square. 67.5 meter square. Now the area of 3000 tiles we are going to find out. So 3000 into 0.0675 meter square. So this we are going to do. Multiply this with 3. 3 fives are 15. 3 sevens are 21. 22 to carry. 3 sixes are 18, 19, 20. Okay. So here with 3 we have multiplied. When you multiply with these 3000, 3 zeros should be added to the end. 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros are added. Now what you are going to do is 1, 2, 3, 4. So after point 4 digits are there. So here from the last you have to count 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here point will come. So this is nothing but 202.5 square meters. 202.5 square meters you got. Now we have to find out the cost for polishing. Total cost of polishing the floor. Polishing the floor.